Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Bharat Karthikeyan and today I'll be unboxing the Metro Limited Edition for the PlayStation 4. I ordered this game from Game UK and this is the infamous edition where the keys for the standard edition and the special edition got swapped. So basically the owners of the limited edition got two keys of the dynamic theme, and the people who won the standard edition got the season pass keys. So yeah, pretty funny. I haven't claimed to the store yet again, but then waiting for the forums to update the links where I could claim for the season pass key. So game had a pre-order offer running. They gave a carbiner compass, sorry. But then the size is a little funny, because I was expecting a compass of something you can hold in your hand, but here I can't probably hold it in my finger. It's quite small, but yeah, whatever works, guys, because this has the exclusive marking, which says Metro Exodus here. So yeah, that kind of works for me. So this is the compass. You can probably put your keys here or probably have this locker tagged to your backpack. So pretty cool that way to have a compass on your bag. Alright, now let's go to the hero of this video. It's the Steelbook edition. It has a bespoke metal case as well. So let's go ahead and open this beauty. Yeah. The seal is out. It smells so nice. Don't look at me like a pervert, because I know what gamers do. And yeah, the slipcase is out, and this is the metal bespoke case. There's no embossing here, by the way, but then this is the back. Again, no embossing, but then I can confirm that this one is made out of metal. It doesn't slide this way, or okay, nice. So this bottom part is sealed, so yeah, it's like a container. I'm gonna keep this in the side here. I don't need a knife, so keeping it aside. Alright, so let this lean over me. And here you have the steelbook. Again, this is also not embossed, but then it looks so pretty, guys. And to the back is again the train. So I'm gonna open the box like this so that I don't end up showing the codes to you. So first off is, yeah, it doesn't tell you what exactly. Yeah, this is the expansion pass key. Let me see if I can close this and show you. Yeah, so this is the key for the expansion pass. So which evidently is for actually the dynamic theme and not exactly the season pass. So setting that aside, next is the actual dynamic theme key. This is how it looks. So keeping that aside. Yeah, now I guess it's safe to show the interior parts of the steelbook. So here you have the disc, and you have the inlay graphics here. Let me keep this here. And it has a few more stuff here. One is the 2-page manual, which is of no use to anybody, but then it has this cool picture. And this was announced very recently, I guess like 2 months before the release of the game, that all pre-orders will have this special poster. Yeah, it's good to call poster. It kind of tells you the creatures of the wild you will encounter in the game Metro Exodus. It's pretty nice, but then it's made up of paper. And the last item of this special edition is the art book. It's a bit foldable, but then hopefully the material is good enough. It is. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what it's gonna contain. Yeah, it's all the artwork. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be brilliant. I'm not able to look at it from this angle, but then I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. Yeah, there you have it, guys. So that's all I have for you today. This is Metro Exodus. I'm so excited to play this game. I have played the first 2 installment on Steam, and this is the first console experience of the Metro game for me. So yeah, give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Cheers.